After introducing the new Range Rover last year, Land Rover now revealed the all-new Range Rover Sport. It is available in S, SE, HSE and autobiography specifications, with the first edition available throughout the first year of production, featuring a special specification. Visually, this car has the unique and easily recognizable design with slim and elegant digital LED lights on the front. At the rear, unlike the Range Rover where we could see the vertical taillights, lights here have the horizontal design that makes the car appear wider and more sporty. Inside, the main star is the central touchscreen with the latest PV Pro infotainment system, and in front of the driver there is a digital cockpit with different views available. Speaking about the engines, many options are available. The range includes 2 extended range electric hybrids, 6-cylinder petrols and diesels using mild hybrid technology, and an all-new V8 twin turbo. In 2024, the new Range Rover Sport lineup will evolve with the addition of a fully electric model as well. Prices start from £79,125 in UK. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this model?